It is our family camping night. We are ending the fall week. Welcome fall week. So we're gonna get started. Yes, we're gonna get started. So we have a bunch of different things. They're gonna make their food for the fire. We have our marshmallows, and look, y'all, they came out with these new ones that's already stuffed with the chocolate, so that saved me a buck or two because I didn't have to buy the chocolate. So we're gonna try these out. Got our chips. We're gonna make some macaroni and cheese. We're gonna make a vegetable dish, a side salad from the garden. Did you start the fire?
No, but I got to get to see it happen.
I got to see it happen.
Daddy made it.
Daddy made the fire?
Yeah.
Alrighty, well, let's go check the fire out.
A peanut butter chocolate cake with Kool-Aid.
Yep. Yeah, it is like campfire. Uh-huh. Yep. Look at you.
Yeah.
Hiya. Ninja warrior princess. You need anything, baby? You got it. Just for you, big dog. Just for you, baby daddy. Just for you, Asian language. Just for you, business owner. Just for you, car owner. Just for you, pappy. Say I'm a pappy. Come on, TeTe. Come on, Leah. Before I let down.
Good?
It looking good, baby.
It looks like liquid like. Go to the store and eat our food. I'm grateful and inspired. And I'm grateful that we gonna see fireworks, and we're gonna do fireworks and these things. Amen. Amen. Okay.
I'm grateful for music, like non-verbal music and verbal music. I like listening to it.
Instrumental and with lyrics.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good night, guys.
And I'm grateful for my little family and some good food and some good drink and like some good grill and
Good night.
good night.
Good night.
I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful for being able to express love and feel love. And I'm grateful for life, being alive.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
I'm grateful for this journey of life. I'm grateful for love and abundance and respect and peace.